Well, we thank God Almighty first of all for a day like this, and we also want to say that's a victory for every member of the People's Democratic Party. This is a sign that PDP is prepared for 2023. Like I've always said, everybody has every right to air his grievances and to follow the due process of the law. Yes, Uche Secondus filed an appeal against the judgment of the Rivers State High Court, and in course of that, he filed an application to stop the convention that is slated for 30 and 31st of this month, October, precisely from tomorrow. Or in the alternative, if the convention must hold, that he should preside over the convention, in essence, staying the judgment, staying the execution of the judgment of the State High Court. But unfortunately, Mr. Secondus did not bring to the fore before the public that he has already handed over to the acting national chairman, who, before Secondus was removed, was the deputy national chairman of the party. And our constitution provides that if a national chairman of the party is removed, the deputy national chairman from that zone will immediately be the chairman or acting chairman, as the case may be. And so when Secondus was removed, he handed over to the acting national chairman now. So the act has already been done, completed. So what would the court stay when somebody is already acting and has been supervising that office? But for me, what is clear that we will not allow any individual or group of individuals to derail the rescue mission of the PDP. If we see the title of our convention is "Join us to rescue Nigeria." Nigeria is in problem, and we cannot do it alone. We require everybody to work with us collectively and see how this country can be rescued. Yesterday, the chairman of the Governor's Quorum led a team of us to Ondo State to woo the former governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Dr. Mimiko, to come back and join Nigerians, join the People's Democratic Party to rescue this country, because we're in a mess. And that is the truth of the matter. So if there's anybody who is being used, or group of people who are being used to derail this movement of rescuing Nigeria from the mess we are in, PDP will not take it lightly. That is to let people know that we are serious about it. This rescue movement, we are serious about it, and nothing will stop us from rescuing this country. So, for me, PDP should be thanking God Almighty. They should be jubilating and praising God for unifying, bringing unity to this country. Look at how united the Governors Forum is today. PDP Governors Forum. We have never been united that way, because people are interested for their own selfish interests and causing confusion amongst the governors for their own selfish interests. But I thank God. But governors have realized that the ultimate thing is that Nigeria is in problem. And we must work together to save Nigeria from the hand of the ruling party, which is the All Progressive Congress. So for me, the Court of Appeal did not only dismiss the application, the Court of Appeal made further order that PDP should be unrestrained from conducting their convention. Because, you know, in this period we are, somebody could by 2 p.m. go to one court somewhere and get an injunction stopping our convention. So Court of Appeal as if knowing the circumstance, knowing Nigeria and our politicians, that anything could be done. They didn't say, we dismiss this application. They went further to say nothing should restrain, nothing should make PDP not to conduct their convention. And it is clear, we are very happy. And you can see that PDP convention tomorrow will be one of the best conventions ever conducted. And I can tell you that Nigerians are expecting PDP to come out from this convention united, and that is what the chairman of the convention, His Excellency Governor Ahmadu Fintri, Excellency the Deputy Chairman of the convention, Senator Doyediri, the Governor for Oyo, Shiri Makinde, are working tirelessly to see that we get the best of the conventions. Yes, obviously it is, because Nigerians are not happy with the ruling party, the way Nigeria has been treated. And like I told everybody, there's nothing like making sacrifice for the interests of the country. If it is the only platform, and which it is today, as the only opposition party that will rescue Nigeria, and you are making efforts to see that that objective is not being actualized, that would not be fair. What Secondus is doing is to sabotage the efforts of Nigerians, the effort of PDP from rescuing this country from the hand of the party that has failed the country. And it's not fair. There's nothing wrong. This is a party that's giving you everything, and there's nothing wrong in making sense. Even if assuming, though not considering anything was wrong, we expected that, look, having achieved what you have achieved in your life from this party, there's nothing wrong in making sacrifice. Assuming what you are saying is correct, assuming, which I do not concede to that, but you can make sacrifice for the party. And if you make sacrifice for the party, you're making sacrifice for Nigerians. Because if PDP is not there, which other party is ready to rescue Nigeria? This is the only party, and everybody wants to. That's why today, as we are going to that convention, we have achieved not less than 95% of consensus. And it has never happened, consensus, so that everybody will understand that, look, we are ready, we are prepared to change this problem, to change this leadership of the country we have.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.